Hey everybody, Ian here with TradeStalker.com with your recap for April 28th, 2016. Whew, what a day. Well, you take a look at this, you can see that we had pretty much a complete flip-flop day here. As usual, I mark in the green the levels that Mike has given for support, and then this blue line as well is a intermediate level, and the red levels are resistance levels that Mike has given from the prior day. You can see after the big rally up and close yesterday, we turned right around and gapped down a decent sized gap, about 10-12 points, and then rallied back up to the top and then flipped over and sold off again. The good thing was that the levels worked well, and Mike was there giving guidance as far as how everything should be played out. But this is a perfect example of why you absolutely have to use stops on these trades if you haven't been using stops, because if you got caught on the wrong side of this move right here, things did not end very well for you. At any rate, if you take a look, you can see that the first move down here stopped right at the 77 half level, Mike's level here, and turned around, took us up through the 80 half, 82 level, slight pullback here, moved higher into the 86 to 87 level, another little pullback before we finally held and moved higher, and capped out right at this 93 half to 94 half level. So this was the high of the day right here, and we touched it to the tick. So that's pretty accurate. Came down and touched this 86 to 87 level here and rallied up a little bit. Tried to hold it again and then finally broke through. And this is where Mike was saying that you want to be careful, because with the momentum that we were seeing, we could smash right through this level, the 77 half level, and that's exactly what happened. And he was actually, I did not see it on the overnight updates, I could be mistaken, but he did give, intraday, this 66 to 65 area as well, as a support area, but I could be mistaken. It may have been on the actual updates, but the 66 to 65 level he did mention. And you can see that this area was here 65, 64 from the prior day, so right about this area, and that was the low of the day. So you can see how even his intraday levels are very accurate. We rallied back up. He mentioned the importance of holding below 71, and you can see the first time we tried to hold below 71, and then we finally broke and closed above it. So the market did end on a little bit of a stronger note, and we'll have to see what tomorrow holds for us. Hope you guys had some safe trading and profitable trading, and if you have any questions, you can always contact Mike at tradestalker.com. Have a good evening.